So it's day one of me trying to get my life back together, okay? Welcome. Here we go. About to go walking. This will be my first time going to walk again. I had a plan. I really did. By 25, I had my career figured out. By 27, I feel stable. And by 30, I had my life together. But life doesn't care about your plan. And one day, I woke up and realized everything I thought I was building was gone. The relationship, the job, the version of myself I was proud of, just gone. So, what do you do when the life you built falls apart before 30? I'm not going to sugarcoat this. There was a moment, a specific moment, where I looked at my life and couldn't recognize it. Not because something dramatic happened overnight, but because I had been ignoring the truth for so long. By the time I had faced it, I was already behind. I was going through the motions, waking up, existing, but not really living. But the scary part is, I didn't even know how long I've been that way. Starting over isn't always this big dramatic event. Sometimes it's quiet. It's just you alone deciding that this is whatever it is isn't enough anymore for me. And that thought right there, that was my moment. People romanticize starting over. They picture glow up montage, new haircuts, new city, new everything. Real life, it looked like me on a Wednesday cleaning an apartment. I barely felt at home. Applying for jobs I wasn't sure I wanted. Texting people back after weeks of going ghost. It was unglamorous, uncomfortable, honestly, kind of embarrassing. But I kept going. Not because I had it figured out. I didn't. I kept going because staying still felt worse. I started small, like embarrassingly small. Wake up before 9, drink water, make the bed, go outside, even just the 10 minutes. That was the whole plan at first. And slowly, those small things started to mean something. Not because they changed my life overnight, but because they were mine. I was choosing them. I was showing up for myself. Maybe for the first time in a long time. Here's what no one tells you about starting over. It's lonely. I mean, really lonely. When everyone around you seems to be moving forward, getting promoted, getting married, having kids, and you're back at square one. That comparison will eat you alive if you let it. I had nights where I genuinely asked myself, is something wrong with me? And maybe that's you right now, watching this and wondering why your timeline looks different from everybody else's. I just want to say your timeline being different doesn't mean your timeline is wrong. not making this video because a few months ago I was looking for someone to just say it. That it's okay to not have it together. That starting over before 30 isn't failure. That mess that is part of it, I didn't find that video, so I'm making it. I don't have all the answers. I'm still in it, but I'm moving, and that's more than I could say before. If you're starting over right now in any way, I see you. Keep going. The version of you that comes out the other side of this, they are going to be unrecognizable. And I mean that in the best way. If this hits home, subscribe. I'm going to keep documenting this journey, the real version of it. Drop a comment. Tell me where you are in your story. I actually read them. I'll see you in my next one.
Get 1.9% APR financing or a $2,500 customer bonus on a